In this video today, I want to know, are you someone who had a child with another person and you were not married to that person and you are no longer living together and you're wondering, what do I do now? To see more of our videos, please subscribe to our page, like this channel, leave comments or questions, and we'll try to make more videos for you. You see this a lot, right? I mean, we have people that are married and they have children, but in this video I'm talking about when you're not married and you have a child with somebody and now you're no longer together. What do you do? A couple things to think about here is, first off, was there ever a court order? And that would normally come in what's called a paternity action, where paternity is established and orders are made concerning legal custody and physical placement, or a paternity acknowledgement matter where the father at the time of birth would have signed a document acknowledging he's the father, and then later there would have been a court case establishing orders on legal custody, placement, child support, and things of that nature. What I'm talking about is a case where there's never been a court case, right? And we see that a lot here in Wisconsin. And people come to us, and sometimes it's mothers, and they say, well, look, we're no longer together. We've never been to court. Do I have to allow him to see the child? Okay, we get that question. We also hear from fathers that say, well, look, we live together and now I'm no longer living with her and she's not allowing me to see the child. What are my rights? So here in Wisconsin, it's really interesting and kind of tricky because Wisconsin, we all know, now, if you give birth, you're the mother. If for the father, he's got to sign a document or go to court to establish his paternity. But the law in Wisconsin essentially says that a father doesn't have any placement rights, okay, until that's established by a court. Okay, that's really interesting. It essentially means that my rights, me, talking about myself, are about the same as a father without a court order. And it's all by permission, so to speak, okay? So you definitely need to talk to a lawyer and get these things established early on. Now, even when you're not married and living together, it would be a very good idea to have an order in place that establishes some orders. And so that somebody, if they don't live together and they move on, understand what their rights are. All right? So very important that you establish an order, talk to an attorney, and get that done. You need to get something in place because otherwise you find yourself asking, can I have my child? Can I have my child? And that parent might say no. And if you're the parent that's saying no, you might say, well, how many times do I have to say no? What do I do? Okay, go to court, get it established, get something set up. All right, guys, I hope you liked that video. If you have more questions or comments on this video, please say so, leave that below, and we'll get back to you with more videos on a topic like this. Thanks for watching.